Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of LETSCOM's USB-C hub, and this one's pretty interesting. There's not too much on the box, so let's jump inside the box. User manual, which we don't need to read because I'm basically going to give you the rundown right here. You get a little sack to carry it in, which is always nice. I love it when that is included. And then here is the hub itself. We'll take it out of the plastic and unsheath it, and here it is. You have your USB-C male connector. Nothing on this side. On this side you have a USB 3.0 Type A port. You have a full-size and micro SD card reader. On the back you have two more 3.0 Type A ports, an HDMI port, which I believe supports 4K at 30 FPS. You have a USB-C power delivery pass-through to charge, and then this little dot right here is an LED indicator light. But this is where it gets interesting. This is the top. This is a wireless charger, and it doesn't end there. You can take it, push it back, and it springs up. There's a little spring mechanism in here, and you can rest your phone in here while it's charging. Grab my phone real quick, and you can slide your phone in like that and have it wirelessly charged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Chromebook. If you haven't seen my video on this yet, it's linked up here. Go check it out. It's a pretty interesting video. I'm going to open this up, move it a little off to the side, and then I'm going to plug in the hub to the USB-C port. See, the LED indicator turns on. So I'm going to start plugging things into it. I'm going to plug in the USB-C power pass-through. I'm going to grab this HDMI cable, which won't go to anything but will be proof of concept. Plug that in. Grab a flash drive. Plug that in. Lightning cable to charge my AirPods. Light is orange, so they are charging. Full-size SD card. Slide it in like that, and another flash drive. Slide that in like that. That is on. And then let me grab my phone, and we'll put my phone on the wireless charger, and that starts charging, and then we can push this back a little bit. Slide it up like that. And it starts charging vertically, or we'll call that vertically for right now. And this is all through one USB Type-C port. So this one's actually pretty cool. I did take a look at something kind of similar to this. Oh god, well over a year ago on the channel. It was the WMZ Wireless Intelligent Charger Hub. That will be linked here for you guys to check out. It's kind of the same but kind of different because there's two ports on the back of this. One is for DC power, one is for data. So if I were to use this as a USB-C hub, I'd have to plug it into this, and then that completely turns off this wireless charger and these two charge ports. If I were to plug it into the DC, it would turn the wireless charger on, these two ports, but these four ports would be left dead. So this kind of does it all with one cable. Now this is a little pricey on Amazon. It is $50, but if you're into wireless charging, you're getting a lot out of this. So like, you're carrying around a wireless charger that you plug in to your MacBook or Chromebook or whatever you have, and it can do everything that your normal USB-C hub can do, plus wireless charging. So I think this has found its place in my bag, and I think it's going to stay there for a little while. And when I say I think, I mean I know it's going to stay there for a little while because I really enjoy this. This one's awesome. So I'll have this link down in the description for you guys to check out. It is, like I said, $50, but it is quite the package that you are getting for that $50. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications with the bell icon so that way you don't miss any of my future videos. It's been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.